Good morning. Second day in New Orleans and it's absolutely beautiful out. And we're on our way to breakfast. And I'm a little guilty because last night I called it an early night. Oh, that's a nice jam. I just needed to get some sleep, you know? Sometimes the sleeping is the best thing you can do.
Not.
But as a result, did not experience the infamous nightlife of New Orleans. However, I've been told that the city never sleeps, and so technically speaking, the nightlife is still happening in the morning. So maybe I'll find some of that after breakfast. So yesterday our friend told us that we had to go to get breakfast at Two Sisters. So we're on our way there right now. She'll be pleased. Megan, thanks for the recommendation. We're looking forward to a delicious breakfast. Fabulous.
So good.
Welcome to the Corner Sisters, guys.
Holy mother of fullness. Ooh. That was a lot of deliciousness.
Then we drove to Alabama and went to.
And I am stuffed. So it's time to go for a little walk around the city, work off some of that delicious food. It's gonna have to be a pretty long walk. Just saying.
To hang out with.
This is one of our main thoroughfares, a major artery of the city where live music happens. On the streets, it bubbles up beneath our feet. It's like the mud that's always moving, so you got to be grooving. Right, Chad Mo? Let your name on tonight.
Good morning.
That stuff made out.
Thank you. Beautiful. I just spotted this beautiful piece of artwork across the street and I just have to share it. It's spectacular. So much color and storytelling, right? I'm gonna take her seriously. Worth the stop, right? Shiny things.
We just had an awesome time eating an hour by a big truck.